Hi guys, this is Shubhash. We are going for an ISM series. This is the chapter-wise revision series. Here is the video on the chapter 2 securities market segment. Primary market is a market where securities are first issued by a company, government, banks, financial institutions, mutual fund, and others. A primary issue of securities may be a public issue where securities are issued to public investors, or a private placement where securities are issued to a selected group of individual and institutional investors. A private placement by a listed company is called a preferential allotment. A preferential allotment to qualified institutional buyer is called the qualified institutional placement. A primary market enables wider participation in a capital of issuers, diversification ownership, and thus improves liquidity, enables better pricing of securities issued, provided a platform for information of issue and issuer of be disseminated and evaluated, and a means for earlier investors to exist. The primary market issuance are regulated in terms of who can make an issue, who can invest, quantum of issue, disclosure and procedure to be followed, and timelines to adhered to, and uses of funds. The first public offer of shares made by company is called an initial public offer, IPO. An IPO may be through a fresh issue of share or an offer for sale. In an offer for sale, the existing shareholders such as promoters or financial institutions offer a part of their holding to public investors. The share capital of the company does not change since the company is not making a new issue of share. A follow-on public offer is made by issuer that has already made an IPO in past and now makes a further issue of securities to the public. In a fixed price issue of shares to the public, the company is consultants with the lead manager would decide on the price at which the share will be issued. In a book building process, the issue price is determined based on the offers received for subscription at price within the specified band or floor price. The cutoff price is the price at which the issue is subscribed from a bid received. Retail investor can subscribe to a book building offer by bidding at a cutoff. They will be allocated shares at a cutoff price once it is discovered. Bidding at a cutoff ensure that the investor's application is always accepted. A public issue will be open for minimum of 3 working days and maximum of 10 working days. In case of the fixed price issue, for book building issue, the offer will be open for the period between 3 to 7 days, extendable by 3 days in case of the revision of price band. The companies making a public offer of share are required to get a IPO graded by a SEBI registered credit rating agency. Investor can apply for an issue when it is opened based on information provided in prospectus. The application can be made physically or through the online bidding facility provided by stock exchanges. In a book building offer, the investor must place bid for the minimum bid lot specified by the issuer, so that the minimum application value adheres to the SEBI prescribed range of rupees 10,000 to 15,000. Investor who bid a price can revise their bid at any time before the issue close date. The issue closing date. Payment for application made in a public issue must be made only using ASBA facilities. Application supported by block amount. ASBA is an application for subscription to an issue containing an authorized to the investor's bank to block the application money in the bank account and release funds only on allotment. In an oversubscribed issue, the shares will be allotted to investors on the proportionate basis. A company make a public issue of debt securities, such as the debenture, by making an offer through prospectus. Debenture debt instrument issued to public has to be mandatorily credit rated. Security has to be credited, and it must be in the dematerialized form. Green debt securities are those where the funds raised from the issue are used for the defined project or the assets, such as the renewable and sustainable energy, clean transportation, sustainable water management, etc. An institutional placement program is an issue of share to qualify institutional buyer to meet a requirement of the minimum public shareholding specified by the listing requirement of stock exchanges. Companies with the share capital not exceeding rupees 25 crore can make a public issue of the share and list them on the SMEs exchanges. The secondary market is the market where the trade in security already issued. Trades happen between the investors, and there is no impact on the capital of company. Secondary market provides the liquidity for investors, enable price discovery, information signaling, and a barometer of economic growth. Secondary markets are regulated under the provision of Security Contract Regulation Act 1956 and the SCR Rules 1957. SEBI is authorized by law to implement the provision of the Act and its rules. The stock exchange provides the trading platform for trading by the investors through member of the stock exchange. The trade are settled through the clearing and settlement agencies of the stock exchange. The issuer get their securities admitted to the depositories, where they are held as electronic entry against the investor's name. Market capitalization, or the market cap, of the company is the number of the share outstanding multiplied by the market price per share. Large cap stock represent established companies with stable earning and prices. Mid and small cap stock represent the companies with high potential for growth but also greater risk to performance and prices. The market turnover of the stock indicates how much trading activities took place in it on a given business day. A market index tracks the market movement by using the price of a small number of the share, choosing as a representative sample. The risk in the secondary market are managed by prescribing capital adequacy norms for investor, margins, circuit breakers, and penalties. The clearinghouse is the counterparty to all trades in the stock exchange. A company announces a record date or the book closure period, and the investor whose name appear in the records on this date are eligible to the benefit from the corporate action like dividend. The right share are offered to existing investors in a proportion as approved by board of company. Investor can also choose to decline the offer or sell their entitlement to others. A bonus issue of the share is made to existing shareholder of the company without any consideration from them. Dividend are the share of the profit of the company received by its shareholder. A company may declare interim dividend during the financial year and the final dividend at the end of the year. A stock split is the corporate action where the face value of existing share is reduced in defined ratio. A company may buy back its share listed on stock exchange from the investor out of the reserve and surplus available with the company. Delisting of the company, delisting of shares refers to the permanent removal of the shares of the company from the being listed on the stock exchange. Delisting may be compulsory or voluntary. Hi guys, I thought वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, and thank you.